Hi guys and girls, it's Liam here again from Tent World up in Townsville, here today to show you around the brand new Winnerwell Nomad View 1G camping stove. This stove has a full stainless steel build, apart from the convenient glass viewing windows on the front door and on one side. The stove also has a huge 3.5-inch diameter chimney. A couple of other features on this stove are 2 level side shelves which provide great cooking versatility but also act as a carry handle. But I definitely do not recommend you try and carry this stove while the fire is going. Also included are 4 fold-out legs which help this stove pack up nice and compact. It also has a spark arrestor in the chimney to ensure that none of your embers are going anywhere they shouldn't be. And the last feature on these stoves is an air-controlled damper just under the front door, which helps you control the flow of the fire you've got going in here. Now these are on display in all of our Tent World stores nationwide, so head on down if you need any more information, or if you've seen enough, head online and grab yours today. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy camping.